how to make money with AI in 2025 that no one actually talks about. In this video, I'll be showing you a breakdown how you can use AI from beginning to the end to make money on the internet just for yourself. Okay, so if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you two strategies on how I do that using AI to make money for myself. Okay, the first thing we need to do if you want to use AI to make money is for you to first of all discover what people are actually looking for. Okay, so a strategy we'll be using here what is called content marketing. All right, content marketing, sharing a helpful information, and then by doing so we'll be making money. All right, so what we'll do, we need to first of all do what is called SEO. So first of all we need to do what is called keyword research, because we are going through content marketing. All right, there are many SEO tools for you to use. You can use for vidIQ, is for video in YouTube. All right, you can use SEMrush, you can use a whole lot of them there. Okay, rank maths. All right, so for this one now I'm using vidIQ. Now I've typed in the search bar and how to make money with AI. You can put a whole bunch of things. You can put how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, a whole keyword there. Now by the time I input it in there, I'm seeing over 161,000 persons looking for this keyword, how to make money with AI. All right, so I'm also going to scroll down and see also content. All right, that people are actually searching for how to make money online with AI. All right, so now I need to create content on this. Now I'll go to my website. You see, this is my website. Then I use ChatGPT, which is DeepSeek. So I asked DeepSeek to create content for me on that topic. Okay, how to make money, all right, using with AI. So it have created the content for me here now. I've done a video on how I created this flyer using ChatGPT, which is AI. At the same time, you can watch this video here to show you how to do so. Okay, so I proofread the content here. Now look at where the magic comes in right now. Now by the time you're reading this content, now I give helpful idea on how to use AI to make money here. Now I've linked this is called affiliate link. I've linked it here to my store. So when someone comes to this place now and read this content and click through this here, click on this, and then you're going to go to my affiliate marketing store where I sell affiliate products. Okay, and then you're going to make purchase from there. So I link it helpfully to all different affiliate marketing platforms in which I promote. Okay, so this is on my website. Now if you do not have a website and you want to also do the same to use content marketing to make money, let me recommend two places you're going to use this content strategy to make money. One is on Medium. So you go on Medium, you do the same content, you write the same content, use AI to write it, and then you link your affiliate link to it. They will click on it and they make they will make purchase. Then you make an end commission. And now again is on Quora. All right, Quora. Next one again that is on Nairaland. These are the three places I use for me to generate traffic to make money on affiliate marketing. You have not yet joined affiliate marketing platform, you want to know more about affiliate marketing, how to generate money, how to make over £1 million with affiliate marketing platform in the first 6 months. All you need to do for you to click the link below. All right, and then you're going to watch the video I've done for affiliate marketing. Okay, and also the link to contact me if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and possible way you can make money in affiliate marketing. Okay, see you on the next one. Watch this video here to learn about affiliate marketing. Okay, see you on the next one.